Hello, my dears. How are you today? I just want to say that I miss you all so much and I love you so much. I hope all of you are okay and your families also. Let's start our lesson today. We're gonna continue the previous lesson, the measuring length. The first part here today, how to convert between the units of length. Let's remember together the units of length. We have kilometer, we have meter, and we have centimeter. Now, if I want to change or convert from kilometer to meter, we will multiply by 1000 because we said 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. If we want to move from meter to centimeter, we're gonna multiply by 100. If you want to move in the other direction, the inverse direction, I will move from the small to the big. I will divide from meter to kilometer. We will divide by 100. To move from centimeter to meter, we will divide by 100. How? The big is going to be getting bigger by multiply, and the small will getting smaller by divide. So when we move from big to small, the big want to be bigger, we multiply. If we move from small to big, the small want to be smaller, so we're gonna divide. Okay, so if I have here 7 kilometer equal how many meter? We are moving from big to small or from small to big. Kilometer to meter, this is big to small. Okay, are we getting bigger or we getting smaller? I want to getting bigger, so I will multiply. The big getting bigger and the small getting smaller. So we multiply by how much? By 1000. Do you remember our first lesson in this term? Multiply by 10, 100, and 100 and 1000. We said what the steps? Count all the zeros and drop all the zeros. When we multiply by 1000, we have 3 zeros, so we're gonna drop the 3 zeros. Then multiply 7 times 1 equals 7. So the answer will be 7000 meter. Okay? Number 2, 13,000 meter equal space kilometer. Okay, are we moving from small to big or from big to small? From small to big, so we're gonna getting smaller, so we will divided by how much? I said from meter to kilometer, we're gonna divide it by 1000. Divided here means we're gonna cancel zeros. Okay, how many zeros we gonna cancel? We're gonna cancel 3 zeros. So what the left? 13. We're gonna put 13 in the space. Okay, then 24 meter equal space centimeter. Okay, from meter to centimeter, from small to big or from big to small? What do you think? From big to small. So the big getting bigger, so we multiply by how much? By 100. Okay, how are we gonna answer this question? 24 times 100. Count and drop. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So we drop 2 zeros. Then 24 times 1 equal 24. So the answer 2400 or 2400. Okay. The last one, 4000 centimeter equal space meter. Okay. From small to big or big to small? From small to big. So are we getting smaller or we will want to getting bigger? We're getting smaller. That means we're gonna divide. Okay, divide, we said divide here in our lesson means cancel zeros. How many zeros we gonna cancel? 2 zeros. And the number left, put it on the space. So we have left 40, so we're gonna put 40. Okay, my dears, go to your book, page 66. We're gonna answer question number 3 and question number 4. Number 3, change from kilometer to meter. From kilometer to meter, multiply or divide? Multiply. How much? 1000. That's mean we're gonna drop how many zeros in the space? 3 zeros. plus if we have zeros in the question. Okay? So, first question, number A, 5 kilometers equal how many meters? We said we're gonna multiply by 1000. That means we're gonna drop 3 zeros, then we're gonna multiply 5 times 1. 5 times 1 equal 5. So the answer, 5000 meters. Okay? 15 kilometers. We said we're gonna multiply by 1000. So we drop 3 zeros, multiply 15 times 1 equal 15. So the answer, 15,000. Number C, 12 kilometers. Multiply by 1000, which is mean drop 3 zeros, multiply 12 times 1 equal 12. So the answer, 12,000 meters. Okay, let's go to question number 4. Change from meters to centimeter. We're gonna change from meter to centimeter. That means we're gonna multiply times 100 because we move from big to small. Okay, that means how many zeros we gonna drop? 2 zeros, super. So, number A, 25 meters. Multiply by 100. We're gonna drop 2 zeros and multiply 25 times 1 equal 25. So the answer, 2500 or 2500. Number B, 43 meters. From meter to centimeter, multiply by 100, drop 2 zeros, then multiply 43 times 1 equal 43. So the answer, 4300 or 4300. Number C, 570. We said we're gonna multiply by 100. That means we're gonna drop 2 zeros. But we still have 0 in the number. Don't forget the 0. You're gonna drop it also. Then 57 times 1 equal 57. Or you're gonna drop 2 zeros and you're gonna say 570 times 1 equal 570. So the answer equal what? 57,000. Okay, my dears? Now, open your booklet, page 44, okay? Question number 2. Number A, 8,000 centimeter equal how many meter? I'm moving from centimeter to meter. Okay, multiply or divide? I was small, so I'm getting smaller. That means I will divide. I will divide. So cancel zeros. How many zeros we gonna cancel? Cancel 2 zeros. What left? 80. Put 80 in the space. Number B, 2300 centimeter equal space meter. Okay, the completed part. First part or second part? First part. So we're gonna start from 2300 centimeter. I'm moving from centimeter to meter. From small to big, divide. So I'm gonna cancel zeros. How many zeros we gonna cancel? 2 zeros. So what left? 23. So put 23 in the space. Number C, space meter equal 1400 centimeter. Where is the completed part? We said the completed part, which we don't have any space in this part. So the completed part, 1400 centimeter. So we are moving from centimeter to meter. From small to big, we are going to getting smaller. That means we gonna divide, which is mean cancel zeros. Divided by how much? 100. So we're gonna cancel how many zeros? 2 zeros. What left? 14. Okay. Number D, space meter equal 600 centimeter. Again, which part we gonna use to move from it? It will be 600 centimeter. Okay. Multiply or divide? What do you think, my dears? We're gonna divide. Super. Divide means cancel zeros. How many zeros we gonna cancel here? We're gonna divide it by 100, and the 100 has 2 zeros, so we're gonna cancel only 2 zeros. We cancel 2 zeros. What left? 6. Put 6 in the space. Number D. The next one. 1,000 meter. 1,000 meter equal how many kilometer? Without cancelling or without anything, we said 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meter. But if we want to answer by the steps, we are moving from meter to kilometer, from small to big, so we gonna divide. Divided means cancel zeros. Super. So how many zeros we gonna cancel? 3 zeros because we divided by 1,000. What left? 1. Okay. Number F. 25,000 meter equal how many kilometer? Okay. From meter to kilometer. From small to big, that's mean divide, that's mean cancel 3 zeros. We're gonna cancel 3 zeros, so we have left 25. The next one, number E, space kilometer equals 7,000 meter. Okay, I'm moving from meter to kilometer, from small to big, so we're gonna divide. Divided by how much? Divided by 1,000, which means cancel 3 zeros. What left after we cancel the 3 zeros? 7. Yay, super. Number H. Space kilometer equal 62,000 meter. Okay. What do you think? We're gonna divide or we're gonna multiply? We're gonna... Yes, I can hear you. You said divide. Super. We're gonna divide, which is mean, yes, cancel zeros. How many zeros we gonna cancel here? 3 zeros. What left? 62. So put 62 in the space. Number I. Do you remember in the first term when we have more than one equal in the question, we're gonna put 1, 2, 3? Okay, I put 1, 2, 3. What next? What is the completed part? 1 or 2 or 3? Miss Mai, what did you say about the completed part? Is the part without any spaces. So, number 2 here is the completed part. Okay, so we're gonna use 2 to answer 1. Then we're gonna use 2 again to answer 3. Okay, so let's answer 1 with 2 first. Space kilometer equal 53,000 meter. What do you think here? We gonna cancel or we gonna multiply? We gonna cancel. I'm moving from small to big, so we gonna cancel. How many zeros we gonna cancel here? We gonna cancel 3 zeros, so the answer equal 53. Okay, now I will erase the dash I put when I cancel. I still have 53,000 meter equal space centimeter. From meter to centimeter, from big to small. That means I want to getting bigger. So we're gonna multiply. Multiply by what? 100. That means we're gonna drop 2 more zeros. So I already have 3 zeros in the number, plus 2 zeros, so we have 5 zeros. We're gonna drop 5 zeros, then 53 times 1 equal 53. Okay, number G. Space kilometer equal 12,000 meter equal space centimeter. So what's the first step? 1, 2, 3. Second step, determine the completed part to start with. It will be part number 2. So we're gonna use 1. We're gonna use 2 to answer 1, and you're gonna use 2 to solve number 3. We're gonna start with 1 with 2. Okay, space kilometer equal 12,000 meter. Okay, are we moving from small to big or big to small? I'm moving from meter to kilometer. That's mean from small to big, getting smaller. We're gonna divide, which is mean cancel zeros. Yes, how many zeros we gonna cancel? Can you tell me? Yes, correct. We're gonna cancel 3 zeros. What left after cancellation? 12. So put 12 in the space. Now, we're gonna answer part 2 with part 3. Okay, we said the second part still as it is. We're gonna erase the dash. When we cancel the zeros, we still have 12,000 meter. 12,000 meter equal space centimeter. From what to what? From small to big or from big to small? From big to small, getting bigger. So multiply, which is mean drop zeros. How many zeros we gonna drop? 2 zeros from 100 and 3 zeros from the number in the question. So the total number of zeros, we're gonna drop 5 zeros. And then we're gonna do what? 12 times 1 equal 12. Do you remember, my dears, the house of the numbers? We said the numbers also has house. We study in primary 1, 2, and 1 and 2. The first house we learned, the house without name, but we named it as old house. Inside this house, we have 3 rooms. We said inside each house of the numbers, only 3 rooms. Inside one room, we can put only 1 digit. We can put more than 1 digit because the numbers, they're gonna fight together. So we said we have the old house. Inside this old house, we have unit, tens, and hundred. And the new house we studied this year at the beginning of the first term, it was house 1,000. Inside this 1,000 house, we have 2 rooms, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay. Why do we remember this? Sometimes you can have number formed from 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, more than 1 digit number, more than 2 digit number. And I want to say, in this number, how can I divide it between the houses? But we're gonna use the unit of the length here, meter, centimeter, and kilometer. So we're gonna divide the rooms among them. We're gonna give Mr. Centimeter the 2 rooms, the smallest 2 rooms in our houses, the unit and the tens. What about meter? Starting from 100 and move so on. Okay? So in the question, if I say meter and centimeter, we know that centimeter will take unit and tens. What about the meter, starting from 100 and go all the numbers to the left in the meter. Okay, what about kilometer and meter? If we have a question of kilometer and meter, the meter will take the old house. All the old house will belong to the meter, and the new house 1,000 belongs to kilometer. So the old house meter, the new house kilometer, when we are talking about meter and kilometer. Okay, what about centimeter and meter? Unit and tens belongs to the centimeter, 100 and so on, 1,000 and 10,000 belongs to meter. Okay? Now, open your booklet, page 44. We're gonna answer together question number 3. I have here 3 kilometers and 500 meters. Okay, do you remember the houses in the previous slide? We said the kilometer in the new house 1,000 and the meter in the old house. So if we put the hats here, unit tens 100 for the meter and 1,000 to the kilometer. So the answer will be 3,500. Do we have another way to answer this question? Yes, convert kilometer to meter. That's mean multiply by 1,000. 3 times 1,000 equal 3,000. 3,000 plus 500 equal 3,500. 100. You can use the houses and the place value, or you can convert and add. Okay, my dears? Now, number B, 640 meter and 5 kilometers. We said meter old house, kilometer new house. So unit tens hundred with meter, 1,000 and 10,000 with kilometer. But we just have 1,000 here, so it will be 5,640. Or you can convert 5 kilometers to 5,000 meter and add it to 640. It will be the same answer, 5,640. 2 meter, number C, 2 meter and 50 centimeter. We said units and tens take centimeter, 100 take meter. So it will be 250. Number D, 70 centimeter, 35 meter. We said centimeter take which rooms? Units and tens. What about meter? It take 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So we're gonna put the 35 in the 100 and the 1,000 and put 70 in units and tens. So the answer will be 3,570. 4 meter and 28 centimeter. We said centimeter take units and tens, and the 100 goes to meter. So put the number under the hats. Under the unit, 8, under the tens, 2, and under the 100, 4. Okay, 350 centimeter. We said what? Centimeter, take the units and the 10, and the meter, take the 100, and the rooms bigger than the 100. So I will put the 3 with the meter and 50 with centimeter. If it will be easier for you if you put the hats, okay? Now, number E, 9,487 centimeter equal how many meter plus how many centimeter? We said we're gonna take units and 10 and put it with the centimeter. So take 87 and put it on the space with centimeter, and take the 100 and the 1,000 in the meter. So we take 94 and put it in the meter. Okay? Number H, 3,460 meter. We said what? Old house to the meter and the new house to the kilometer. So 3 in the kilometer and 460 in the meter. Number I, 15,208 meter equal how many kilometer and how many meter? We said old house unit tens 100 with meter, 1,000 and 10,000 with kilometer. So 15 in the kilometer, 208 in the meter. Number G, 23,415 meter equal how many kilometer and how many meter? 23,000, so house 1,000 with kilometer, so 23 in the kilometer, and old house 415 with meter. Okay, my dears, we finish our lesson today. Please remember to answer your homework in the booklet, page 44, question 1, 2, and 3. I hope you understand the lesson today. Please stay at home and keep safe. I love you and I miss you from here, from the earth till the moon. I can't wait to see you again, back to your classes and to the school. See you later. Bye bye.